First of all, for us to slow down thought, usually we have to slow ourselves down. Who runs 1,000,000 miles an hour every day? Give me a hands up. I know I can't see you, but put them up anyway. It's good fun. Do you find yourself running? And when I mean running, I don't just mean physically moving quickly throughout your day. But where is your mind throughout your day? Do you check your phone first thing? Are you on emails? In between experiences or calls or Zooms? We're doing too many of those. In between those experiences, when you're preparing the kids' food or when you're in between conversations, do you go straight to the phone? Do you go straight to the phone? Do you go straight to the news? Do you go straight to your emails? Or do you slow down? Do you slow down and focus on the present moment? Focus on the now. Now, if you don't worry. I'm not here to tell you off. But I am here to try and raise your level of awareness today, if even for a moment, where in between experiences, and what I mean by experiences are all those things that I mentioned: calls, homeschooling, conversations, Zoom calls, checking your social media. Is there a moment where you don't pick up anything? Where you simply become immersed in that moment? Now, it could be when you're making a cup of tea. It could be when you're making or pouring a cup of coffee. It could be when you're going for a walk between rooms in your house. Noticing how present you can be in that moment is the first step in slowing down thought. Because when you begin to become fully present, and it could be simply looking at the teacup, placing the hand on the teacup, boiling the water, picking up the kettle and being so aware of that movement in the moment that no thought becomes an interruption or a distraction. You're so present in that experience that the only place you are is in the moment. You're in the now. Now, does that make sense to everyone? Because if we can begin to experience more of those moments throughout our day, then essentially we are slowing down thought. And like I taught yesterday, once we've slowed down that thought and we're only focusing on one thought in the present moment, then we're only one thought away from that inner freedom. And in that present moment, anxiety can't exist. Anxiety about the future. In that present moment, concern about the past or things that have happened can no longer be present. And in that present moment, it's impossible for us not to be conscious. It's impossible for fear to be present when we're fully present in the moment. Everything else dissipates. Everything else that concerns us, the past and the future, is suddenly able to be released.